patient you are seeing right now on your screen is having the water phobia, which is basically a fear of water. It could be a sign of rabies, which is caused by a dog bite. Well, if you wondered how rabies infect our body and cause hydrophobia, well, let me break it down for you. Hydrophobia occurs because the virus affects the part of our brain that controls swallowing and breathing. As a result, we may experience spasm in our throat muscles when we try to drink water, which can be incredibly painful and scary. Unfortunately, once the symptoms of rabies start to appear, it's usually too late for the treatment. That's why it is so important to seek medical attention right away if you have even bitten by an animal that could be infected with rabies.